Imagine a world where bacterial infections were feared. A world where heart problems had no technological assistance. This was reality until the late 1920s and early 1930s. Let's dive into the year 1928, when a Scottish bacteriologist named Sir Alexander Fleming stumbled upon a life-changing discovery. He found a group of antibiotics known as penicillin, marking the birth of a new era in medicine. Before this breakthrough, bacterial infections were often a death sentence. But with the advent of penicillin, these once feared afflictions became curable conditions. It was, in every sense, a game changer. Fast forward a few years to 1932. The world was introduced to another medical marvel, the pacemaker. It was devised by Dr. Albert Heyman, a dedicated innovator who faced numerous challenges before making his contribution to cardiac care. His spring-wound, hand-cranked electromechanical instrument applied electrical impulses to stimulate the heart. Imagine that. A tiny device jump-starting the most critical organ in the human body. Although it would be almost 2 decades before pacemakers became portable, Heyman's invention laid the groundwork for nearly a century of innovation. These devices have saved countless lives, and their evolution is a testament to the power of scientific progress. Both penicillin and the pacemaker revolutionized healthcare in their respective domains. They turned once-dreaded health problems into manageable conditions. They gave hope where there was despair and extended lives that were once thought to be nearing their end. The late 1920s and early 1930s were a time of groundbreaking innovation, transforming the way we treat common health problems. They were a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and the relentless pursuit of bettering human lives. It was a time when the boundaries of what was possible in medicine were being pushed, leading to the advanced healthcare we enjoy today. As we look back at these historical milestones, we are reminded that every discovery, every invention, is a stepping stone to a healthier future. And who knows, the next great medical innovation could be just around the corner. A world where a sudden cardiac arrest could not be reversed. This was reality until the 1940s. The 40s were a time of incredible innovation in the medical field. 2 such innovations, dialysis and cardiac defibrillation, have since proven to be lifesavers for millions. Let's start with dialysis, a treatment that does what healthy kidneys do naturally: remove waste, salt, and excess water to prevent them from building up in the body. This technological marvel was born out of the genius of Dr. Willem Johan Kolff. He is credited with creating the first working dialyzer, a machine that does the job of kidneys for those whose kidneys have given up the fight. But what if the heart, the engine of our bodies, falters? Enter cardiac defibrillation. The heart, like any engine, relies on an electrical system to keep it running smoothly. But sometimes this system can go haywire, causing the heart to flutter or even stop. That's where cardiac defibrillation comes in, delivering a therapeutic dose of electrical energy to the heart to restore a normal heartbeat. This groundbreaking procedure was first used on a human by Dr. Claude Beck in 1947. He successfully delivered a shock to a 14-year-old boy undergoing surgery for a congenital chest defect, effectively reversing a cardiac arrest. The significance of these 2 innovations cannot be understated. Dialysis has given people with kidney failure a second chance at life, freeing them from the constant threat of toxic buildup in their bodies. Cardiac defibrillation, on the other hand, has made it possible to reverse sudden cardiac arrests, saving countless lives in the process. The 1940s may seem like a long time ago, but the impact of these medical breakthroughs is as profound today as it was then. They have not only saved countless lives but have also paved the way for further advancements in medical technology. The 1940s brought us medical innovations that saved countless lives and continue to do so today. A world where hearing loss was irreversible. In the early 1950s, a bold new era in medical innovation dawned. One of the most transformative innovations was the cochlear prosthesis, a device designed to stimulate the cochlear nerve and facilitate hearing. This pioneering invention emerged from the ingenious mind of André Journow, who performed the first cochlear implantation in 1957. This groundbreaking procedure offered a glimmer of hope to those plagued with severe hearing loss. The cochlear prosthesis works by converting sound waves into electrical impulses, which then stimulate the cochlear nerve, allowing the brain to interpret these impulses as sound. This revolutionary device has transformed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people around the world, providing them with the miraculous gift of sound. But the 1950s weren't just about making the world sound richer. This decade also saw a giant leap in the field of organ transplantation. The first successful kidney transplant was performed by doctors Joseph Murray and David Hume in Boston, Massachusetts in 1954. This procedure marked a significant shift in the ability to treat organ failure. Before this landmark operation, organ failure was often a death sentence. But with the advent of organ transplantation, new hope was kindled for those suffering from failing organs. This crucial medical innovation has saved countless lives and continues to do so today. It has spurred advancements in immunology as researchers strive to overcome the challenges of organ rejection. The creation of the cochlear prosthesis and the success of the first organ transplant were truly transformative events in the history of medicine. These innovations didn't just extend lives, they drastically improved the quality of life for many. The 1950s brought us medical innovations that transformed the quality of life for many. Managing diabetes was a constant struggle. Let's travel back to the year 1958. It was a time when pregnancy was shrouded in mystery, a silent journey with little insight into the health or progress of the unborn child. Then, Dr. Edward Hahn pioneered the use of Doppler ultrasound to detect a fetal heartbeat. This was a game changer. Suddenly, parents and doctors could hear that precious sound, the reassuring rhythm of life, bringing a tangible connection to the unborn child. The advent of fetal ultrasound opened a window into the womb, allowing for early detection of potential complications and facilitating timely interventions. This innovation has undoubtedly contributed to the improved health outcomes we see in pregnancy today. Now, let's fast forward 5 years to 1963. This was the year when managing diabetes took a revolutionary turn. Dr. Arnold Kadish introduced the world to the insulin pump. Before this, managing diabetes was a constant struggle, requiring multiple daily insulin injections. The insulin pump changed all that. It offered a new level of control over blood glucose levels, eliminating the need for multiple daily injections. This small device delivers precise doses of insulin throughout the day, mimicking the natural insulin production of a healthy pancreas. The insulin pump has not only improved the quality of life for people with diabetes, but also reduced the risk of long-term complications associated with poorly controlled blood glucose levels. From the detection of a tiny heartbeat to the precise delivery of life-sustaining insulin, these innovations have had a profound impact on our health and well-being. They represent the tireless dedication of scientists and doctors who, building on the discoveries of their predecessors, continue to push the boundaries of medical innovation. The late 1950s and early 1960s brought us medical innovations that continue to enhance and save lives to this day. Every health challenge has a technological solution. That is the world we are creating. As we stride into the future, we stand on the shoulders of giants, the pioneers of medical innovations who have paved the way for us. The advancements we've seen in the past century are just the beginning. We are now at the precipice of a new dawn in medical technology, one that is driven by leaps in technology, genetics, and artificial intelligence. Consider technology. We've moved from the clunky machinery of the past to sleek portable devices that deliver healthcare right at our fingertips. Wearable technology, telemedicine, and remote patient monitoring are not just trends, they're the new normal. They've transformed the way we approach health and wellness, making it more personalized, more accessible, and more efficient. Then there's genetics. The Human Genome Project completed in 2003 was just the starting point. Today we're talking about gene editing, personalized medicine, and targeted therapies. The potential to cure genetic disorders, to custom-tailor treatments based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, and to prevent diseases before they even manifest, is within our grasp. And let's not forget about artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of healthcare, from diagnosis to treatment to patient care. It's not about replacing doctors, but about equipping them with the tools to make better, faster, and more accurate decisions. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, identify patterns that humans might miss, and even predict health issues before they become serious. But as we look to the future, we must also remember the importance of ethics and equity in healthcare. The benefits of these advancements should be accessible to all, not just a privileged few. And we must ensure that in our pursuit of progress, we do not compromise our values or the trust of the people we serve. The future of medical innovations is bright, promising a healthier world for all.